In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to share Instagram story to my story. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. Now if someone has mentioned you in a story, it's going to be very easy to add it as your own story as well. So firstly, open up the story that someone has tagged you, and beneath the story you'll get an option called add this to your story. You just need to tap on add this to your story, and it's going to directly open up the story section, and you can just tap on your story and add it as your story as well. But for those stories which you are not tagged in, if it is a photo, you need to take a screenshot. If you are not tagged in a story, you cannot see any option called add it to your story. So in this case, you can just take a screenshot if it is a photo and then add this picture as your story. But however, if it is a video, you can either take a screen record or you can also download the story from other third-party websites. You want to do that, open up your web browser and search for Instagram story download. Through these websites, you can easily download stories of other people, whether they are photos or videos. But however, the one thing that you need to know is that if the other person's account is private, you won't be able to download these stories. So only if the person has a public account, you can download in the story. So for example, I'm using storysaver.net. Here you just need to enter in the account username of the person that you're trying to download the story of. So once you type in the username, you'll have a section of downloading the story, whether they be photos or videos. And by this way, you can add in other people's stories to your stories if they are not mentioned. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos just like this, be sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more future videos. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.